Launched in 2024 by Honorable Minister of Education Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, the Teacher App has grown as a platform built around teachers and their everyday realities. Today, it supports educators across the country. Its reach includes aspirational districts and diverse classrooms. Teaching, however, remains demanding. Studies show teachers work close to 50 hours every week. Less than half of this time is spent with students. The intent to teach is strong. Time remains limited. To support teachers better, Bharti Airtel Foundation, together with the CK12 Foundation, brings AI tools to the Teacher App. Curriculum-aligned resources can now be created in seconds. These resources are aligned with the Indian curriculum and classroom needs. At its core, this effort brings three things: capacity, clarity, confidence. Because when teachers gain time, they rediscover the joy of teaching.